Okay, so today I'm down at Kingston Craft Market here. So if you have a look, downtown Jamaica, Kingston Craft Market. So welcome to downtown Kingston Art District. So we're going to go into Kingston Craft Market and this lady's just going to show me around. It is a must place to visit. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Kingston Craft Market.
Okay.
So, this is one of the best markets in Jamaica. It's a big market. You can get anything you want inside here, from clothing to baskets, handbag, wall clocks, you name it. Anything that you want, you can get inside here. The prices Jamaican made. The price is very good. We have street names inside here. We have lanes and street names. So if you come and you get something and you want to remember where you got it from,
Look at this.
you just take down the name of the streets.
Oh yeah, look, Straw Avenue, Kane Street. I love the names.
Right.
Okay, so you've got a store here, Kane Street. And look, there's a variety of things here.
Yes, you have crusher sandals, you have leather sandals, you have nice wall paintings. So it's a whole variety of stuff.
I love this picture, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It just brings back memories. Look at this picture. Look at that mud hut. That looks like a
And that
compound.
is one of the oldest pictures you have.
Looks like a compound. It looks like Maroon Village in St. Elizabeth. So guys, look
And
at
even
this.
that nice beautiful lady right there.
Yes.
Yes, she's from history. I don't even think she's alive anymore.
Okay, you see that. So Kingston Craft Market, downtown in Kingston. What road is it called? Penton?
The street?
Yeah.
It's on Peachon Street, so it's 1 Peachon Street.
Okay,
Right
thank
down at the
you.
waterfront.
Yes.
Across from the Digicel area. You can walk the whole stretch
Yes.
and come right over if you're staying at the hotel.
The Rock Hotel, you
The
can
Rock
walk.
Hotel, yes. You can walk from right there and come right over, right on the waterfront.
And one thing that's interesting, contrary to public perception, there are items down here that are made in Jamaica.
Yes.
Made
Yes.
in Jamaica. Clothing.
A lot of the items are made here. Clothing, wall crafts, carving, paintings, baskets.
So come
Look,
and
let me show you
support.
some beautiful
Come and
baskets
support.
in this shop. Just look at the shop.
Oh my
Look how
God.
beautiful it is. Look at how the
Oh,
the straw
everyone.
works.
Wow, I remember baskets like
They
this.
have
Look.
picnic baskets. If you want to make gift basket for Mother's Day, Christmas gift, Valentine's gift, you name it. You have the hamper that you can store things. You have clothes baskets, and these are some nice
And these are
fruit
all.
bowls. These are you can
But I see these
this-
in like Devon. You can come here and buy
you
them at
open it,
Kingston
you can put
Craft.
this on your table and you put fruits in. This is in the map of Jamaica, and you can also see, you lift it up and that's a fruit bowl right there.
Okay.
Right, you can put
Even the mats.
yes, and
a
these are
set of
beautiful
mats.
straw mats all done here, all
More
made
made
here.
in Jamaica.
And you
Honestly,
can use
everyone.
if you have a restaurant, running a restaurant, or for your own personal use.
So what's quite nice, this bit I like, is all Jamaican. Look, all of this made in Jamaica. Look at this. And you've got the artwork. So yeah, please.
This is the jug.
Yes.
And you have the 6 glass, and then you have the big cup, all made from bamboo, locally made.
Okay. And that's what it is,
Yes.
everyone. Come down here, give us
These
a
are the
tour.
wall clocks, and I remember these also
Yes.
locally made.
Yeah, so come along, support Kingston Craft Market, downtown Jamaica. Give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours. I'm quite blown away by what I've seen today. Can you eat as well? There are a number of stores here. They've all got, look, Joyce's Souvenir and Gift Shop. So we're on Kane Street. Yeah, so let me just show you. You've got Marie's gift shop over there, and yeah, so this is it. Hi.
some of the shops are not open yet, so people just come in.
I'll show you. Thank you very much. Oh, so you heard it first, guys. Just come down here and have a look. Give us a call, I'll bring you down here. So I'm going to switch off the camera and I'm going to walk around and have a look and see what I can buy today. But what's quite interesting, I've gone to Bob Marley Museum, Devon House, and this is selling at Bob Marley Museum for a fortune, or items here selling at Devon House. But you can come here to the source, to the craft market, and buy these items yourself. Okay?